Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel The Exam MCQ. First question is Padma Award are announced on the occasion of. Right answer option B Republic Day. Next question is which authority announced the Padma Award? Right answer option D Government of India. How many categories of Padma Award are there? There are 3 categories of Padma Award in India. Next question is which is the highest among the Padma Awards? Right answer option B Padma Vibhushan. Padma Awards were instituted in which year? Right answer option D 1954. Padma Awards do not carry. Right answer option C cash prize. Next question is who among the following cricketers received Padma Shri 2026? MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Sourav Ganguly. Right answer option B Rohit Sharma. Which singer was awarded Padma Bhushan 2026? Correct answer option A Alka Yagnik. Which hockey player received Padma Shri 2026? Right answer option D Sabita Punia. Who received Padma Shri 2026 in women's cricket? Right answer option B Harmanpreet Kaur. Next question. Dharmendra received Padma Award 2026 for which field? Right answer option C art cinema. Who among the following actors received Padma Shri 2026? Actors R Mahadevan received Padma Shri 2026. Next question. Sri Aurobindo Vaidya received the award in. Sri Aurobindo Vaidya received the award in art. Who received Padma Bhushan 2026 for contribution to banking and industry? Right answer option A Uday Kotak. Uday Kotak, the founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank, received Padma Bhushan 2026 for contribution to banking and industry. Bijay Amritraj received Padma Bhushan 2026 for contribution to. Right answer option D tennis. How many Padma Vibhushan awards were confirmed in 2026? The Government of India has announced 5 Padma Vibhushan awards for 2026. Which field is K.T. Thomas recognized for with Padma Vibhushan 2026? K.T. Thomas for his contribution in the field of public affairs. How many total Padma Awards were approved for 2026? For the year 2026, the President has approved 131 Padma Awards. Next question. N. Rajam was awarded the Padma Vibhushan for her contribution to. Right answer option D art. N. Rajam was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2026 for her exceptional enduring contributions to Hindustani classical music, a legendary violinist. Which Malayalam actors was awarded Padma Bhushan in 2026? Right answer option C. Mammootty. Which award was honored in art from Uttar Pradesh? Right answer option A. Anil Kumar Rastogi. Ashok Khare Padma Shri field is? Ashok Khare has been confirmed with the Padma Shri in 2026 for his distinguished service in the field of trade and industry. Next question is, Shibu Soren received his Padma Bhushan? Right answer option C. Posthumously. Who among the following from West Bengal was conferred with the Padma Shri 2026 in the field of art? Correct answer option B. Prosenjit Chatterjee. Sri P. Narayanan was awarded the Padma Vibhushan for his work in which field? Right answer option C. Literature and education. Which renowned santur player from West Bengal was named for the Padma Shri 2026? Correct answer option A. Torun Bhattacharya. V. S. Achyutanandan received Padma Award 2026 in which category? Correct answer option C. Padma Vibhushan. Next question is, Sri Piyush Pandey received the Padma Bhushan posthumously in which field? Right answer option B. Art. Next question, Ashok Kumar Haldar, who was awarded the Padma Shri 2026, belongs to which field? Right answer option C. Literature and education. Which Indian tennis legend received the Padma Bhushan in 2026? Right answer option A. Vijay Amritraj. Next question, Sri Praveen Kumar received the Padma Shri for which sports? Correct answer option D. Para athletics, high jump. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.